vivre. Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Renault Captur, a compact SUV that blends style, technology, and practicality better than ever before. Renault has given the Captur a major refresh for 2026, both inside and out, making it one of the most appealing small SUVs in its class. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Captur now carries a sharper and more athletic look. The front grille has been redesigned with a modern, chrome-accented finish, flanked by slim LED headlights that flow perfectly into the hood lines. The new LED taillights and sculpted bumper at the back add a premium touch, while the dynamic 18-inch alloy wheels complete the sporty stance. The Captur also features new two-tone color combinations that give it a youthful and stylish appearance, making it stand out on city streets and highways alike. Under the hood, Renault has focused on efficiency and performance. The 2026 Captur comes with multiple powertrain options, including a mild hybrid and a plug-in hybrid version. The hybrid engine delivers smooth acceleration and great fuel economy, while offering enough power for confident overtaking and highway driving. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned for better comfort and stability, making it ideal for both urban commutes and longer journeys. The steering feels precise, and the overall ride quality is quiet and composed, a clear improvement over the previous generation. Inside the cabin, Renault has elevated the Captur's interior to near-premium standards. The dashboard is now more driver-focused, with a large digital display and an upgraded 10-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and ergonomic seats make the driving experience comfortable and classy. The 2026 Captur also provides excellent practicality, with plenty of storage spaces and a spacious rear seat area. The rear seats can slide and fold, giving you flexible cargo space for luggage or shopping. When it comes to safety and tech, Renault has packed the Captur with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and automatic emergency braking. These systems ensure peace of mind on every drive. As for the price, the 2026 Renault Captur is expected to start around $27,000, depending on the trim and options, offering strong value for money in the compact SUV segment. With its refined design, efficient performance, and upgraded features, the new Captur is easily one of the most complete small SUVs of 2026. Thanks for watching NG Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting car reviews.